Hello, how are you? This video it's good for you to talk about cost. It's really pretty. Please help to subscribe and like my video. Okay, let's watch. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
The gray ones? They're $18.
Oh, that's not bad. Do they come in black?
No, sorry, just gray.
Okay, how much is that scarf?
Which one? The blue and orange one?
No, the yellow one.
Let's see. It's $24.95.
It's really pretty. I'll take it. Hello, I want to show about the meaning of colors in the United States. 1. The blue mean truthful. 2. The white mean pure. 3. The gray mean boring. 4. Black mean sad. 5. It's brown mean friendly. 6. Purple mean mysterious. 7. It's pink mean loving. 8. The red mean exciting. 9. It's orange mean fun. 10. The yellow mean happy. Thank you for watching my video full. Please don't forget subscribe my channel for the new people here and help to like this video. Good luck for you all. Good wish.